The new CDC Advisory Committee for Immunization Practices convened in Atlanta, Georgia, on June 25, 26, 2025, over the objection of a U.S. senator and publicized concern by medical groups and the media that the members were anti-vaccine. However, the meeting concluded with the approval of all vaccines on the agenda, marking a significant step in public health policy. The ACIP meeting at CDC headquarters focused on key topics such as RSV antibody, Clesrovimab, influenza vaccines, and the Vaccine for Children resolution. The primary goal was to advise the CDC on immunization policy. Key votes included the approval of Clesrovimab for infants, updates to the Vaccine for Children RSV program, and reaffirmation of the annual flu vaccine. Thimerosal-free flu vaccines were also endorsed for various groups. There was 2 days of presentations and debate with split votes undermining the perception that the group was of a singular mindset. The vote results showed unanimous support for several vaccine updates, including the annual flu vaccine and thimerosal-free options. The outcomes reflect a strong consensus on advancing vaccines for public health. Thimerosal was the only substance not approved. It is a mercury-based preservative used in very few vaccines to prevent contamination. It has been utilized since the 1930s, ensuring the safety and efficacy of multi-dose vials until 1999, when it was limited because of concern about its mercury content. Current support for thimerosal's use is backed by WHO, CDC, and Food and Drug Administration, FDA, citing no evidence of harm. Ethyl mercury, a component, clears quickly from the body, with studies showing no link to autism or neurodevelopmental issues. Despite evidence, public concerns about thimerosal persist. Advocacy groups call for mercury-free alternatives, and past recommendations have led to its removal from many childhood vaccines. ACIP members made a joint statement promoting transparency and evidence-based recommendations. They emphasize family-oriented decision-making and pledge not to vote without sufficient data, prioritizing vaccine safety. Following the meeting, the CDC director will review ACIP's recommendations. If approved, they will be published in the Morbidity and Mortality Weekly Report. The next ACIP meeting is scheduled for Q3 2025.